Hi there folks, you're watching the BlackPowderShooter44 channel. Today I'm excited to introduce my rustic black powder revolver presentation cases that I now have for sale. I started out making these for my own collection of black powder revolvers and pistols and have since turned it into a business. So these boxes are a great way to display your revolver anywhere you see fit to do so, and each one comes complete with a felt lined interior to safely hold your revolver. There are also several compartments in each box to hold accessories such as a cap tin, a powder flask, spare cylinders, a bullet mold, projectiles, you name it, whatever you want to put in there. At this time I offer several different sizes. The first is a standard presentation case which will fit your full-size revolver such as an 1858 Remington, 1851 Navy, 1873 Colt single action Army with a 7.5-inch barrel, just to name a few. Next, I have a presentation case for your smaller cap and ball revolvers like this Remington pocket revolver pictured here. I also offer presentation cases for your 1847 Colt Walker revolver as well as an 1858 Buffalo gun presentation case. Precise dimensions for each individual presentation case will be included in every listing to make sure it will fit your particular revolver. Each box is similar, but no two boxes are the same. Each one is unique in its own way. To get one of your own, go ahead and follow the link in this video's description to my listings for these presentation cases. Thank you very much, and until next time, have a great day.